In this lesson, I'm going to show you how to create this wipe slide transition in Premiere Pro. On my timeline, I have these two almost identical clips. One of them is modified, while the other is not. So if I hide the first track, this is the original and this is the modified one. Now to create the transition, make sure that they are both properly aligned. I'm going to move my play here to the point in the clip where I want the transition to happen, right here. And then I'm going to cut both clips at that point by pressing Ctrl K on my keyboard, and then select the other one and then press Ctrl K as well. Now I'm going to delete the first half of the top track and then the second half of the second track. And I'm going to move the clip on the first track down to the second track. And I'm going to head over to Effects and search for Wipe. And then click and drag the Wipe transition effect to the middle of both clips in the timeline, like so. Now when I play this back, I get that. Now to add a border to the transition, I'm going to select the transition on the timeline and then head over to Effects Controls. And then within border width, I'm going to increase the value of the border width, depending on how thick you want the border to be. And then down here within border color, you can give it a color of your choice. Please like and subscribe.